DJ, stop that music, you bitch. Now Curtis won't perform now. Lagos Afana. Obama Nigerian life for stomach ulcer and I keep my gym instructor. My gym instructor went tell us say, no, my student will eat pounded yam over my dead body. If you see pounded yam, we will chop for a burial. I ate it over his dead body. Bro, if you find money, find power. Power good oh. Yahoo boys, they run for EFCC. EFCC, they run from Tompolo. Hey, bro, if you see the letter, when EFCC tell invite Tompolo, it be like love letter. That letter will give me erection. What do we see now? Cavalry greetings, my dear beloved Tom. Baba, Lagos Hasho, you carry your side cheek, go watch match. You see the complaint said the referee they cheat. Referee, what you supposed to tell spray the call. Lagos too hard. And I don't know why ladies again entitlement mentality. You and girl go break up, she or they complain. I don't blame you. It's because you have seen my nakedness. Man, when you see a graphics design, that young man they talk about sex. Listen to me, my dear beloved Nigerian men. Never you kill yourself to satisfy a woman. Those people we are not created to be satisfied. People who follow snake talk for Garden of Eden, they understand snake. How you want to satisfy them? Do the best you can do. Leave the rest for another comrade to continue. And so one day they put me under pressure. Casino, prove to me you are a man. Prove to me you are a man. All this might be a BIB foul. No! Because of saying we want to satisfy women, see all Nigerian men, they now have roots in their house. Roots. We are gradually becoming herbalists. If you want to know, Oga Kanayo, just go and mighty way. You carry regular water, put root inside. You put rubbish, you do one like this. You just see somebody go drive, meet you. After 9 rituals, it they work. As well, I do one of my guys, now I put sansan, put alligator pepper, put cockroach inside, they do one like this. Now he said they work, now I say yes. The guy drink and truly, 2 hours he did not come. He now said that the sun, 9 block he prick. What do you kill yourself for? All you need as a man is money. Hey, fine boy, fine boy. Share Nollywood people there yet. I'm sorry for honor. Fine boy. You get anybody for a year when fine pass Regina Dan for my boyfriend. What they carry with? You want to fine boy? What they carry with? You don't know what life is talking about. Do you know that as a man, no matter what you do, you don't get honor. Father-in-law not they go or move, only mother-in-law. Now when I give birth to my child, I invited my father-in-law. I invited my mother-in-law. As my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, they bath my wife. They press her stomach. My father-in-law, they bath me. They press my blockage. You are a bitch. What has Nigerian men done to you people? They don't celebrate men. Sir, there's ministry of youth. There's ministry of women affair. There's no ministry of men affair. No wonder women with the girls must more affair outside. Mother's Day is celebrated 10 times a year. Father's Day is celebrated 2 hours a year. Do you know Father's Day for our church? Now women see a drama. Witches and wizards. Witches and wizards. You know how painful it is as a man. Oga, Igbo man, open shop, walk. Carry pikin go Canada. Pikin graduate born. Come carry all your wife, go there. Madam say you dey hear am. So you call there your wife at the age of 70, you become a bachelor. Your wife will come and do video call for Canada. Nine. Are they see kidnapping in Nigeria? Eh? Any woman will do that to me, I go report my wife to immigration. Say my wife is into drugs. Let all of them come back, bitches, ungrateful children. And nothing you go do when they satisfy children, no. Do you know? I spent 15 million for my child's birthday. Almost true life story. Allegedly. One year birthday, time reach to snap. Not that the idiots, they sleep, they cry. Ungrateful child, waste of money. Cubana chief priest did not come. Now nobody they spray. Before EFCC, Cubana chief priest now money na water. After chief priest, bele na water. He share bele. See, tell him not to do that DNA test. Don't waste money. African man. What is DNA test? That a babalawo in Anambra cannot do for you. Carry aromatic shinap and 2.5. Can a company? I carry go Osogbo. They'll tell you get picking. You go even wash her for mirror. What do you do DNA test? My brother, nemesis scenario. Armed robber shoot police. They carry police go hospital. Doctor say make police go bring police report before they'll treat police. Bro, karma is real. One of my uncle now better flirt. He was cheating on his wife. So luckily for him, side chick can't get belly. His wife can't get belly. And his wife never born before. 9 months later, side chick born boy. Heir apparent. His wife born girl. After 5 years, the children called them misbehave. My uncle go do DNA test. Both the pikin when the wife born, oh. And the one when the side chick born, oh. No one be my uncle own. My uncle was defeated both home and away. My uncle must be an Arsenal fan. Lagos. Do you know as a man, we don't enjoy anything. Do you know if you make your wife come on time, it gives you pleasure? Yeah. If your wife is a 1-minute woman, no wahala. Are you already happy, my wife? Now watermelon. Before I touch, have you had a boss? May you be 1-minute man. Now that time your wife will call you by your real name. Uche, now what is this rubbish now? You're going to see Mark, you're going to look for rubbish talk. Baby, today is my father's remembrance. This is the person who will see get papa. Man, Lala enjoy. Do you know as a man, the moment you marry, now that time you jam your spec. Asha woman say, All these Lagos married men, very some of them useless. So you get one line where they use when I not like, baby, I wish I met you before my wife. Now when you don't see her, poison your wife, idiot. Una can't clap beneath her. But that's the truth. So, me as a young boy, I was born and brought up in Benin, attended Uniben. I stay in Orchard Road in Lagos, where girls they use 8 million dunyash enter bike. What a waste. Use 8 million dunyash. You can't go Kwabi joint to the drink pepper soup and asu. Wasted generation of yash. But yeah, women get with it that they do. Advantage. Men not get. Not see, as we did, as so we did. Imagine I say men they do prick. As the can I can say, I can I just eat my wood. As the call go put up a table, go I say. I better not use me for sacrifice with my brother. Hey. When I video me, I shake class in case anything happen to me. If my plane crash, I can't yokosa. Well, I can't everything I sacrifice. So the content and say one movie, they don't want to use as sacrificial man. Say me play Reverend Father. You know, say for the movie, as a Reverend Father, I see take sacrificial offering. Bro, as a man, I love it when my wife is, hey. That is breast and yash. That guy saying yash. Okay, at this age, what legacy are you leaving for your children, sir? Now, so I find getting fine to marry, I not see. 7 years, I find not see. Now you're going to make mistake, marry, not get yash. If you see my wife, yash. He flat, he be like Chinese man when they peace. Now the joke I tell the silence. Bro, as I marry my wife in it, the next week, I one fine girl just call my compound with Range Rover Velar, 2024 model. See yash, see breast, front heavy, back heavy. Bro, as the girl come and then the girl shout, oh, Casino, you are my dream man. For my mind, where you did this mate under fire you. Where are you? Bro, as if that was not enough. If you hear the name when this my neighbor, they call me. Early morning, if you say, hi, Lawrence, I just want to let you know you're such a phenomenon, darling. You are every woman's dream. And my wife, when me marry, no, they call me name at all. If I give my wife money, the highest one go call me, Kasi Wewe, happy vigilante. It's a problem. And this girl can't get her own money. She's into IT. Her own money. So there was a time I was going for my Europe tour. I needed money. I was making calls. She overheard me that I need 20 million naira as loan. Now she called me, Lawrence, come to my apartment. I read you, now she transferred 20 million as loan. As I go, now she called me back. Say, Lawrence, I wish you were not married. I would have collected this money back. Now that night I've been one poisoning my wife. Let's end it all. What am I living for? And the painful thing is, how can your neighbor be more caring than your wife? As my wife don't say, okay, I want to come for FunnyBone show now. My neighbor no. And I call her and say, my performing time is 10 p.m. My neighbor, 9:30. She don't message me. Hi, Lawrence. Just want to let you know you are the best to ever do it. You are a first-class champion and a super success. Go and shine, my dear neighbor, Sandra. Now, this is what I tell the sign out now. Then my wife, when me marry, 5 minutes to when I go perform. My own wife message, you come. Every time, show. You hardly have time for your family and your family. I think it's that time you choose between your family and your career. Now I reply, I choose our neighbor. Lagos, good night. My name is MC Casino.
You get mine, though. You get mine, though.
FunnyBone Live, timeless.